So, I've been super stoked on development here lately, and this is one of the climbs that I have developed. It's out at Moss Rock. Probably walked across it at least 75 times. Never thought nothing of it. And then one day, I finally got the eye for it. Indeed, I had to end up building a landing zone because of a death block. But it's all good now, and we're ready for a second ascent. Hope you enjoy this climb. Brought to you by the Hand Gang Explorations. My name is Brandon Merchant, and this is Vanilla Ice.